Is it difficult to replace a phone battery yourself? The answer is no, it's not difficult as long as you have the right tools. Here are the 3 simple steps. 1. Open the back cover. 2. Remove the old battery and replace it with a new one. 3. Close the back cover. Think I'm kidding? Check out this video. In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery on a OnePlus 11 phone. Our back cover is broken, so we will also replace it with a new one at the end. If your back cover is not broken, you can continue to use the old one. Because the phone has an IP68 dust and water resistance rating, you need to heat the back cover before you can open it. We are using a magic heating pad. The magic heating pad has precise temperature control, does not damage the phone, heats evenly, and is safe. After heating for 10 minutes, we can start the disassembly. First, use a safety razor blade to open a gap, and then drip a small amount of isopropyl alcohol into the gap. The magic heating pad softens the adhesive, and the isopropyl alcohol further dissolves the adhesive. With these 2 deguming methods, it is very easy to remove the back cover. Use a plastic opening tool to gently pry open the adhesive around the edge. Remove the 10 screws that secure the top of the phone. Open the motherboard protection cover and be careful with the flash cable. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Peel off the pull-up the battery stickers on both sides, drip a small amount of isopropyl alcohol into the gap, and lift the battery out. Take out the new battery, align it with the connector and press it in. Turn on the phone to test that everything is working properly. Reconnect the flash cable, install the motherboard protection cover, and tighten the screws. Finally, stick on the new back cover and press it firmly to fit it. To maintain the phone's original water resistance, we recommend using a TE798 LCD fixed clamp to secure the back cover. That's it, the repair is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.